Unlocking the phrase, bookmark. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a term that you might hear quite often in both digital and traditional contexts, bookmark. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meanings but also how to use it in your conversations. Imagine reading a lengthy novel. It's getting late, and you need to pause your reading. To remember where you left off, you slip in a piece of paper or card between the pages. That piece of paper or card is called a bookmark. It marks the spot where you'll continue reading the next time. With the rise of the digital age, the term bookmark has also taken on a new meaning. On the internet, when you come across a website or page you want to revisit, you can save its address. This action is referred to as bookmarking. When you bookmark a site in your web browser, it creates a quick link back to that website so you can easily find it later. Now that we know what bookmark means, let's see how to use it in conversations. 1. I bookmarked my favorite poem in the anthology with a lovely ribbon. 2. Did you bookmark that website I showed you about English idioms? 3. I always lose my bookmarks, so I end up using random scraps of paper. And there you have it. The word bookmark can refer to both a physical marker in a book and a digital save point for your favorite websites. Next time you come across something you'd like to revisit, whether it's a captivating story or an intriguing website, you'll know what to do. Just bookmark it. I hope this video shed light on this term for you. Happy learning and see you in the next video.